In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Google Meet event. Canceling a meet is really about removing the calendar event that holds the meeting link. So doing this correctly ensures everyone gets notified and the link is no longer used by mistake. To begin, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple calendars. Once the calendar loads, choose the view you prefer, day, week, or month, and find the event that includes the Google Meet you want to cancel. Take a moment to confirm the event's title, date, and time so you don't remove the wrong one. If it helps, look for the small camera icon that indicates a Google Meet link is attached. When you've located the correct event, place your cursor over it and use your mouse's right click to bring up the Quick Actions menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click usually does the same thing, and on some keyboards, holding Control while clicking will open that menu as well. This context menu is a faster way to manage an event without opening the full details page, and it's perfect for a quick cancellation. From the menu that appears, choose Delete. This action removes the event from your calendar and, importantly, cancels the Google Meet tied to it. If there are guests invited, Google Calendar will ask whether you want to send a cancellation notice. Sending the notification is generally the best choice because it immediately alerts attendees, removes the event from their calendars, and prevents confusion about whether the meeting is still happening. If the event repeats, you may also be asked whether to remove just this one occurrence or the entire series. Pick the option that matches your intent. Keep in mind, deleting an event with a Google Meet link revokes the meeting for everyone, which helps avoid accidental joins later. If you change your mind, Google Calendar includes a trash area where deleted events can often be restored for a limited time, so you're not necessarily locked in forever. That said, it's still smart to double-check the event details before confirming the deletion. And that's all there is to it. You've gone to calendar.google.com, selected the right event, opened the quick menu with a right click, and clicked Delete to cancel the Google Meet. By sending the cancellation, you keep your attendees informed and your schedule tidy. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, you're now ready to manage your Meet events with confidence.